Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue the chapter, that is chapter 9, Pronouns. In the previous video we learned what are pronouns, the types of pronouns and where the pronouns are used. And we also discussed few sentences of question A. Today we will recapitulate the chapter and I will tell you the answers of rest of the question A. And we will do question number B as well. So let us start. Pronoun is a word that replaces the names of a person or object. Or we can say pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. For example, Rakesh is an artist. He draws very well. Next, Karishma is a doctor. She owns a clinic in Newtown. Third, cow is an animal. It gives milk. Here, the words in bold red are pronouns. We use pronouns to avoid the repetitions of the names again and again in the sentence. Now, there are three types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. Under personal pronouns comes the subject pronoun and the object pronouns. Personal pronouns stands for the first person, the second person and the third person. Now, let us see who are first person. Person who is speaking is the first person. Now, who are the second person? Person with whom the first person is talking are the second person. Now, who are the third person? Person about whom the first and the second person are talking is the third person. Now, tell me how many types of personal pronouns are there? There are two types of personal pronouns, subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let us see which words are subject pronouns and which words are object pronouns. First, I, we and they are subject pronoun. Subject pronouns are always used in the first place of the sentence. For example, we live in India. Second, me, us, them, him and her are object pronouns. Object pronouns are used in the middle or at the end of the sentence. For example, Riya and Sonam surprised her. Next, Riya and Sonam surprised her friend. Now you can see how the word or how the object pronouns are used in the first sentence and in the second sentence. In the first sentence, the object pronoun has been used at the end of the sentence, and in the second sentence, the object pronoun has been used in the middle of the sentence. Third, you is used both as a subject pronoun and an object pronoun. The word you can be used at the first place or in the middle or at the end of the sentence. For example, you are called in the office. Next, Rahul is looking for you. Another one, the principal called you in the office. So children, in the first sentence you can see you has been used in the first place. In the second sentence you can see that you has been used at the end of the sentence. And in the third sentence, the word you has been used in the middle of the sentence. Now children, I hope you have understood the chapter properly. Now let us see the answers of question A. In this question, it was told that we have to complete the sentences using the correct pronouns. Children, the first, second and third sentences were already discussed in the previous video. So let us move on to the rest of the sentences of question A. Fourth, there are new chairs dash are very comfortable. We will use here they. Why? Because they is a subject pronoun. Fifth, Bijoy and I are old friends. Dash have known each other for 10 years. We will use here we because we is a subject pronoun. Sixth, Prashant is not home. Dash is taking a walk. We will use here he. Why? Because he is a subject pronoun. Seventh, Vicky told Dash about the fire in the building. We will use here us because us is an object pronoun. Number 8. Reena knows Victor. She met Dash in Vienna. We will use here him. Why? Because him is an object pronoun. 9th. Tina received a watch. It was a gift from Dash uncle. We will use here her. Why? Because her is an object pronoun. The last one. Did Dash hear Megha played the piano at the annual prize night? We will use here you. Why? Because you is an object pronoun. Now, children, let us move on to question number B. In this question, we have to underline the pronouns in the passage. So first, I will read out the passage to you and then I will tell you the answers. I would like you to take your pencil and eraser, and while I will tell you the answers, I want you to do it in your textbook. The mountaineers rose early. They were glad that the day was bright and dry. The guide came into the hut. He told them that they had to leave. The mountaineers said that they were ready. The guide asked, "Have you everything that you need?" The mountaineers said, "Yes, we have." The guide said, "Good. I am ready if you are." Now, let us see the answers. In the second sentence, the word they, you have to underline it. Then, in the fourth sentence, the word he, please underline it. In the next sentence, the word they, again you have to underline it. Next, in the next sentence, you will underline you. There are two you in this sentence. So underline you. In the next sentence, you will underline we. Please underline it. And in the last sentence, please underline I and you. Now children, the notes of this chapter will be given to you, and I hope you will write it neatly and in the correct order. Thank you children for watching the video.